Hello guys, let's sell chicken. Yeah. Ah. Hmm. Well, let me start this. So, we have some industrial demand. No, industrial's not fun. No, fun. But we can make it and do something with it. Removing it and getting the industrial done. Right here. Boom. Yeah. We've got a medium waffle station. Alright. Do we have any parts anywhere? No. Well, I'd say sounds not that nice. We'll put a swing part here and here. That did crap, didn't it? Oh, that was a waste of money. Well, that doesn't matter. Okay, we'll put in a medium width part. Good. Okay, I don't want a huge one. I don't want to make it seem like really obvious. Sports. Just do one of these. That's a nice skate park. So ridiculous. You'd obviously want to do the large one, wouldn't you? What's that big? Okay, I don't really. Okay, yeah, it's not that much bigger. I don't know what was going on there. But let's just put, a pond, nah. Wavy path, nah. Perfect. Basketball courts all around. Boom. There we go. Medium well, people. Jeez. Why are we just gonna allow people? What the heck? I have no idea. Should we do? Yeah, residential. I'm not doing weird. Go. A house of worship. Sure, I'll do it at some point. We could do that right now and put it right behind us. But that wouldn't leave room for an expansion of the town hall to go behind it. But why are we losing people? That isn't 823 earlier. Nobody, expanded. We built houses. Sometimes, I really just don't understand this game at all. I don't know. That's weird. Well, we have more people now. We can get some more in. Ooh. Oh. Not any demands yet. Not zone demands, but health demands stuff. We don't got any yet. It's always a good thing. We've reached 1,000 people! And that, wow. Wow. At some point, the city's gonna have over 100,000. So that would mean the city would have to be 100 times bigger. I can kind of see that happening. Shut up. Shut your yapper. Alright, so we've got 26,000. And I don't know what to do with it. well. Ugh. House of worship. Church. Should we? Would it go good here? What do you think? Sure. Ah, improves everybody's happiness. All over the city! Amazing. What was in here? Why? The Empire helps. That's not the Empire State Building. That is. That expensive. That's not expensive at all. You're not expensive at all either. What about you? Ooh. Ooh. Why did you put Washington Monument? Willis Tower? The what? Look at his city and he has the Willis Tower. Oh my god. I'm gonna expand up some. What's our demand? Commercial. Alright. Expand up to here. This thing's gonna be huge. The city's already enormous. Oh my god, it's only up 30 minutes left. Okay, there we go. Alright, around the church we'll put commercial, residential, residential. I know, I forgot to do the other side. Residential. I talk too much. Maybe that's a good thing. We'll see. Come on. Boom. 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 That is beautiful. I'm making almost 2,000 an hour. Jeez. Yep, there we go. More moolah. We've got a minute left and we want to do something. It's not just the church. Whatever. What do you want? More jobs? Just build all this industrial stuff over here. Oh, the industrial is very spread. Well, we have 40 seconds till I have to do the finishing touches I'll be doing during the day, or during this video. And I'm gonna make one more right after this. So you guys will get 2 videos. No one who watches it. But later, hopefully if the channel actually has success, you guys will get 2 videos today. That won't matter because I already have done a bunch more. But we'll need one more for you at least. We should build a Megaco factory for you. Doesn't matter. Okay, there's the timer. Well, that means that was 9 minutes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys all later. Bye!